Yes, I just observed one thing that the longer you take to get back on the stage, the more nervous it will make you. It will make you. So the lesson learned is that keep repeating yourself as soon as possible to avoid this. So yes, so let's start. Hi everyone. I hope everyone is doing good and having a good day so far. It's been a while that I was back in this stage, and it always feels great to be back and share my story with you guys. So I'll start the story. This is the story that I'm going to share is very close to my heart. It's about a moment of self-discovery while overcoming one of the fears that I had. And it's about the incident that changed or shaped me to a confident person that I am today. So if I have to start that, before coming to the Colored Cow, just like everyone, I also used to think coding is the only important part to be only important part and an integral part to be a software engineer or to build a software company. And with that thought, all my 4 years of graduation, I just spent sitting in front of computers and try to understand what that language is speaking, or what it's showing. It was when when I got introduced to Colored Cow, and when I got exposed to all other aspects of software building, I realized that coding is just 20%, and there are other aspects also that we need to take care of. And from all those other aspects, client interaction was something that I was, I had fear and I was really scared of. And I still remember when my initial visit to Gurgaon office, I see the guys, I see people like Weber, Pankaj, Tushar, and KD, while action for the client meeting, while they have all the script written, and they have been practicing for weeks, through mock-up calls, and a big team discussion before getting into the clients, and also having a grand setup for that meeting where speakers are putting into different places so that everyone and can hear them and see how the meeting is going. So all that setup made me a bit intimidated. I got a bit intimidated with all that setup, and it should be, because from that I could clearly see that it was not coding that was the integral part. I got getting a sense that it is the client interaction that's the most important part, because that's the time where you share your confidence, you share your trust with the clients, and which helps you to build a better relationship for the future. And as I got to know that it's the most important part, I started getting scared of. That being said, I also knew that when I'll be getting into that phase of my career, that where I will be in a position to manage things and getting in front of clients, this is something which will happen gradually, and I will have enough time, maybe a week, to practice and have mock-up calls and preparing myself mentally for that situation. At that time I was happy. I know a bit of coding, so it's safe to be here. I'll do just now I can do just coding, and I'll see when that situation will come, I'll see how that happens, and I'll plan things accordingly. But as we all know, that life doesn't go as planned always. So so one fine day I entered to the TD office, and at that point of time I was working with Weber. And we used to team up, and we were working on several projects, and we used to team up and deliver the task and the other stuff. So that day started as usual. I started my day opening up the mailbox and going through the mails. There I saw that a first mail from Weber, where he mentioned that one of our client is having a critical issue in their website, and they wanted us to look at it, and they wanted us to get into a call as soon as possible, and figure out the things. As their website was related to their business, so the website down is equal to the business down, so it was a critical situation. And as I was going through that mail, I had in my mind the assumption was that I would be taking care of it in technical terms, and I'll be Vaibhav will be helping it to present it to the clients, and we'll team up to make things happen. But as I was going through, as the day was getting progress, I got to know that, as I was consolidating that issue and working solo in that particular project, I got to know about that, that Vaibhav has got into some other critical part for other project, and as I was the only one who is knew about all the complex part for that issue, the team decided that I will be a good person to go and go to that meeting and listen to the clients and share the expertise. The team was well aware that that this will be my first solo call, and taking things in this way. But they showed trust. They showed trust to me. They showed the belief in my capability, and everyone from the team showed trust to my capability. The only person who was a bit skeptical was me in that room. So when I came back and I said to my seat, I can sense that my face was all red, and I was thinking, how it's going to happen. The expectation I had for my first client interaction was like a week-long time to practice and have mock calls. But now I don't have weeks. I just have 2 hours from now to get into the meeting and make it happen. And that day I discovered something very interesting about FAIR, and it's very natural to be scared and to have fear about something that you are doing for the first time. It's natural, like you don't have any experience, there are doubts, there are so much of abstraction. So the best thing you can do is to have a fear and get scared of that situation. And the other best thing you can do is practice and prepare yourself enough that it doesn't feel like you are doing it for the first time. And I think that's what I did. I just went and this was the same room, so I get up from this room, I went to the other room and lock myself and start practicing for every possible scenario that the meeting can go up to. And from saying hi to him to ending the call, every single thing we can discuss about, I practice it all. It won't be wrong if I say that if I practice it 10 times and when I get to the actual call, it didn't feel like it was my first time. It felt like that it was the 11th time I'm going for a client call, and I could say that with the positive response the client was giving and the appreciation he was giving to all the efforts. And as soon as the meeting ended, I just closed my laptop and I said to myself, like, and I was happy that this would be the first and the last time I scared so much of the client meeting, because as I said, it just for the first time, when the fear is just when you do it for the first time. And when I look back, I see when I look back and I see that whenever after that, whenever I go to other meetings, I could see that the fear was getting decreasing on the decreasing level, and the confidence was on the increasing level, and the only thing that remains constant was the practice and the preparedness I was going through. And when and also when I look back to that particular day, I feel happy that I was scared. I had a bit of fear, but not that much fear that I restricted myself to not to push to do something new. And I think when you do something new, you find the new you. So yeah, that was my story.